What are discrete-time complex exponential and sinusoidal signals? As we all are aware of the population growth in our country, which is increasing day by day. From the figure, let's say population size is 100 in 6th month, and in 7th month, it was approximately 125 and so on. That is, population size is increasing exponentially. Similarly, discrete-time complex exponential signals and discrete-time sinusoidal signals are represented as exponential functions. Thus, a discrete-time complex exponential signals at discrete time can be defined by x of n is equal to c into a raised to the power n, where c and a are complex. And discrete-time sinusoidal signals is defined by x of n is equal to e raised to the power j omega n, where here we'll see the different types of exponential waveforms at different values of a. From the equation x of n is equal to c into a raised to the power n, where c and a in general are complex numbers. Now firstly we'll consider if c and a are real numbers, then at a is greater than 1, the waveform rising exponentially shown by figure A. And in figure B, at a is between 0 and 1, waveform decaying exponentially. In figure C, a is between -1 and 0. And in figure D, a is less than -1, and the waveforms are the combination of both decay and rising. Now let's talk about discrete-time sinusoidal signal defined by x of n is equal to cosine omega n plus phi, have infinite total energy but finite average power. Now another case, if we take n to be dimensionless, then both omega and phi have units of radians, then we can find different waveforms at different frequencies. For example, the figure A in which omega is equal to 2 pi by 12 and phi is set at 0. Figure B in which omega is equal to 8 pi by 31 at 0 phi. Now considering the effect of time shifting in discrete-time sinusoidal signal, as time shift is equal to phase shift and figure A shows the symmetry of an even sequence. Now the figure shows the anti-symmetric property of odd sequence. Now we'll discuss the discrete-time complex exponential signals and their relationship to sinusoidal signals. As the general discrete-time complex exponential can be written and interpreted in terms of real exponentials and sinusoidal signals, and especially if we write c and a in polar form, that is, c is equal to mod of c into e raised to the power j theta, and a is equal to mod of a into e raised to the power j omega. Then the value of c into a raised to the power n is given by a figure. Now the cases, if mod of a is equal to 1, then the real and exponential sequence are sinusoidal. For mod of a is greater than 1, signals are growing discrete-time sinusoidal signals. For mod of a lesser than 1, signals are decaying discrete-time sinusoidal signals. The related term is